Changing location in the TikTok shop is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you can use a VPN to change your location virtually. By connecting to a VPN server in a different country, you can appear as if you are browsing from that location. Now keep in mind that using a VPN might be against TikTok's terms of service, so proceed with caution. After that, some apps or websites allow you to change your location settings manually in your account settings. Now check if TikTok has such an option in its settings menu. However, it's uncommon for social media platforms like TikTok to offer this feature. TikTok's algorithm often shows trending and recommended content based on your location and interests. By exploring different types of content, you might come across products or shops that are popular in other locations. Consider following creators or influencers from other regions. They might showcase products from their local area, giving you insight into what's available in different locations. If you are specifically interested in products from a certain location, you might have better luck browsing external platforms or websites that cater to that region's market. Now, if you are unable to find a satisfactory solution, consider reaching out to TikTok support for assistance. They might be able to provide further guidance or insight into location-based features within the TikTok shop.